Welcome to Modular Classroom. Today in this video we will see about the pivot table in Excel. Imagine you have a large sales data set with products, regions, salesperson, quantity and sales value. Analyzing these data manually using formulas can take a lot of time. But in Excel, we can summarize thousands of rows instantly using a powerful feature called pivot table. Why it is called as pivot table? Because it allows us to pivot, that is, we can rearrange the data to view it from different perspectives without changing the original data. So in this video, we will see about what is pivot and how to create a pivot table and how rows, values, columns and filters will actually work in that pivot table. So I have an Excel file which is in the normal table format. The word here pivot means, as I said already, we are going to rotate or rearrange. In Excel, pivot table helps us to rotate the data structure and view the same data in different ways. For example, this product we can able to see in product wise sales and region wise sales, salesperson's performance, category analysis, same data but different perspectives. That is why it is called as a pivot table. So how to create a pivot table from this given data set? So just select the entire data set. First select the complete data set by including the headings. Then go to insert pivot table and click this pivot table. You will get a dialog box to be opened that will ask you to select a table or range. Excel will automatically deducts the data from the data range. So just click OK. Now you can see pivot table fields of explanations where here you can, to the right side panel, you can see the pivot table fields panel. The most important part appears here, that is the pivot table fields is the panel. You can see all the columns here: date, product, region, category, salesperson, quantity, sales and all. These are all the columns names that you given in the data set. At the bottom there are four important areas like filters, columns, rows, values. So first we have to concentrate on the rows. That is, you have to drag the product into rows. Here this product, just drag and click on to the rows. You can get the result in the another sheet like row labels has a header and there is a row displays the labels vertically. After I am clicking the product into rows, rows are mainly used for categories like keyboard, like that. Likewise, now I concentrate on to the values. Here go on to this field, click on sales, drag the sales into values. You will get the result table like this, because values will mainly use you to perform calculations. When I drag sales into values, Excel automatically it will calculate the sum of sales because sales contains numbers. You can also apply, that is, values can perform sum, count, average, maximum, minimum. So this is the calculation area of the pivot table. You can give like this. Next part is columns. So columns that will show the region horizontally. Columns split the report horizontally. Now we can report that is the sales is separated into region wise. So we can compare east, west, north and side region south side by side. So I am clicking on to this region into columns. You can able to see the result of this categorization. Now I'm clicking on this category tab into filters. The fourth option is filters, because filters will allow us to display only selected record I'll drag the category fields and then I'll choose electronics. So electronics will only be displayed. If I click on all, accessories means accessories will display. This is applied to the filters column. So all the four boxes with label we can able to see. For rows, I'm clicking on the vertical labels, and for values I'm clicking on the calculations, and for columns horizontal grouping, and for filters it will display the selected records only. So from this you can able to easily analyze the data from the given data base. This is a rough database which we inserted in the normal Excel sheet. By applying the pivot table, we can able to easily understand the four areas with just drag and drop. Excel can convert the large data set into meaningful reports within seconds. This is the main advantages of using the pivot table. So application of pivot table helps for easier data analysis. So follow Modular Classroom for more Excel tutorials and technology tips. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.